Hey guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make speaker made of plastic bottles. Because just recently, one of my friends really wanted to buy a speaker, but she had no enough money. And I was like, yeah, I really wanted to help her, so I thought about many things, like what should I do? Should I buy it for her? But suddenly, I was like, okay, chill, you can make this for a lot less than you buy. So I figured I would show you guys how to make them too, because they're super simple and you can literally make a billion speakers out of a box of plastic bottles. It is super easy to make, like all you need is only plastic bottles and you're good to go. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight to the video. So what you're gonna need is a plastic bottle, 2 plastic glasses, and a cutter. So I mark my plastic bottle the same as my smartphone and I cut it out.
Ooh, I feel it tight tonight. Sing with me, ooh, 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 ooh. Clean up all your mess and taking caffeine. It's your soul pulling on you. Everyone's stories stand up.
Then I also cut both ends of the plastic bottle. Once I cut them out, I need to make holes in the plastic glasses the same size as the end of the plastic bottle. So first, I prepare a paper and a pen to mark the end of the bottle. Then I need to cut it out again. Next, I cut the glass based on the paper I marked before. Do it the same way with the other glass. Once the glasses were cut, I connect them with the plastic bottle. And this is how mine turned out. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, bye!